Is your international call failing? Let's troubleshoot. The main culprits are dialing errors, missing add-ons, or carrier blocks. First, always dial correctly. Use the exit code, either plus or 011 from landlines, then the country code, followed by the area code and phone number. Many issues arise from omitting the exit code. Next, check your mobile plan. Carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile often require international add-ons or specific plans for international calls. Verizon's World Plan, for instance, charges per minute rates. T-Mobile's Magenta Plus includes some international data, but calling might still incur extra fees or require activating a simple global add-on. Finally, carriers sometimes block calls to prevent fraud or enforce plan limits, especially if an add-on isn't active. Outright blocks have decreased due to FCC regulations, but they still occur. Confirm your add-ons are active in your carrier app or by contacting customer service. If your calls are still failing after checking the basics, try these solutions. Many users now rely on apps like WhatsApp, Signal, Zoom, or FaceTime for international calls, leveraging VoIP, which is often cheaper, especially over Wi-Fi. A 2025 survey suggests over 60% of U.S. mobile users use these apps for international communication. For traditional calling, ensure your phone's IMEI is compatible and your SIM card is unlocked if you're traveling. Be aware of network incompatibilities like GSM versus CDMA, which can affect roaming. For iPhone users on AT&T experiencing blocks, especially in non-roaming countries, try switching to cellular data for FaceTime calls. If all else fails, contact your carrier's customer service. Future solutions include AI-driven assistants that automatically correct dialing and suggest add-ons, expected by 2027, and eSIMs for seamless international use. Consider these alternatives to resolve call not working errors.